everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I'm reviewing this 4x4 closure wig. It is deep wave and it is 26 inches. If you guys want to see me install this and unbox it and see all the goodies that comes with it, please continue to watch. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there, so you can participate on my polls, question answers, giveaways, everything I have going on my Instagram. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into it. Hey everybody, so let's get right into it. The bag will look like this when you get it. It says AngieQueen on there. I'm gonna open up this drawstring bag and I'll show you everything that comes with your wig. So we have wig caps and some lashes. Then your wig will come in a plastic bag like this. Right here it says it's a 4x4 26-inch natural color deep wave. All right, so this is what the wig is looking like straight out of the package. It does have a really like shiny look to it. Very, very nice. It looks really, really good. It's very soft, y'all. So it is a 4x4 closure. The hairline looks like this. I will be plucking this a little bit. Inside you have 3 combs and adjustable straps on the side. I believe this wig is 180% density, but make sure you guys check out the description box. It'll have all the information about this wig and where you can find it as well. So yes. So this looks very, very pretty. It is 26 inches. Maybe, I think it's 26 inches like stretched out, but we'll see how this looks on. I'll probably do a middle part with this one today. So yes, I will be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. And I just realized that I didn't even have all my lights on. So if you guys see any difference in the lighting, it's because I just turned the rest of my lights on. But anyway, I have the foundation on the lace and I did pluck a little bit. And I'm going to throw this baby on and just fast forward it while I do the baby hairs and all that good stuff. All right, you guys, I'm done styling this hair. It came out really, really beautiful. These curls are absolutely beautiful. I do wish I would have plucked a little bit more on the hairline, but it still looks pretty good. But yes, it is absolutely gorgeous. I am gonna say one thing though, this is not giving me 26 inches. This is not giving 26 inches, but it is curly, so maybe I could be wrong, but this is like sitting on my shoulders. This is giving 20 inches. So unless this stretches out 6 more inches, like I don't know. I don't know about this length though. But other than that, it is really, really pretty. I really, really love it. I did cut some layers on the sides here just to add some shape. And I like that as well. It is a 4x4, so it looks like this on the sides. And I like that because it's easy to manage. And I did use this bold hold liquid gold, and it didn't do anything. I don't know if it was because I was hot and like sweating, but it did not stick like whatsoever. And I showed that clip of like after I took the band off, like my wig literally just went straight back. So anyway, I went back to the Old Faithful, and now she is laid, but I am sweating a lot. So maybe I'm gonna try it again on a day where I'm not sweating profusely. But other than that, this hair is so pretty. I love it. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig. Thank you again, AngieQueen, for sending me this wig to review. I love it. And yes, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.